Greetings, everybody. I wanted to showcase this really new, cool addition to our AI toolkit that we have with Agentforce Coworker, which really goes down into what we consider agentic search and really brings it into a conversational UI. And so we're used to, enterprise search being able to do things like I want to search for Acme Core. I'm going to bring that information right here. I've got that record up. Great. But what I really want to do is I've got this meeting with Acme Core tomorrow. It's what I would consider like a yellow flag account. They're kind of a big account, but we've had some issues with them, and I want to be prepared for this meeting that I have tomorrow with their team. So why don't I ask Coworker, what do I need to know about this information? And it's going to go in and it's going to do this kind of deep research into what's going on with the account, the opportunity. It's going to give me the account at a glance so that I know who I'm talking to. Christine Lee is one of my main contacts. She's their VP of operations. There was a big open opportunity here of $285,000 that we want to track. But also there are some, critical escalated high priority open cases. So this is saying that we've actually had some issues in the past with their rollout that maybe we really need to, to take care of and really be able to address. And so now I know this from just a quick dial tone of information. Wow, this is what I'm walking into tomorrow. And so, okay, thanks for that. But Coworker, can you create an agenda for me to tackle this meeting? And it's going to go ahead and say yes. Actually, based on the contacts we have, the cases we have, the things we need to address, we're going to break this down into a sub-hour long meeting. And so now I'm prepared with my information. I'm prepared for my contacts. I'm prepared for the issues that might be coming up. And I feel very confident that I'm going to be okay tomorrow. Like I know what I'm walking into. But I want to be even more proactive. And I'm going to say, can you create a list of follow-up tasks for me? And so it's going to go ahead and it's going to look into, hey, based on this information, what are some high priority things that we can do, right? Following up the subjects, following up these cases, and I want you to, yes, actually I would love to already be, so now I know the people I'm meeting with, I know the situation that's involved, I know the risks that are involved, I have an agenda that I can go to with Acme Core, and you know what, I would love to have, yes, draft an email for me to use. So even before the meeting's over, I have an email that I can say, this is a starting point for us to keep moving forward, including action items that I can go in and update, and a check-in that I can go and try to follow up on with them. So I feel very empowered, and you can see this is minutes. This is minutes of information that I've talked to my agent, I've talked to Agentforce Coworker, and I feel like everything's getting very handled, and I think I can resolve this issue. So before we move on, I want to just point out a couple of things. If you're looking to enable this in your org, what you're going to want to have is when you go to your users, I'm going to go to my user here, and my permission set assignments will include Agentforce Coworker user or Agentforce Coworker admin. And then from setup, if I go to Coworker, you're going to see this. And if you're starting this for the first time, this is going to go through a wizard-like interface in order for you to get up and running with Agentforce Coworker. And so I hope this has been very helpful for you. This is a very powerful tool. I'm very excited about it. I would love to hear from you in the comments about what you're excited about and what you might be looking to use with it. Thanks again, everybody, and I will talk to you later.